How to recover deleted follow requests on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover deleted follow requests on Instagram. So if you are also currently on such situation where you might have accidentally deleted your follow request and you want to recover it, so in that case all you have to do is just click on this your profile section at the bottom right corner and then just select this hamburger icon at the top right corner, just like this. And from over here just click on this account center and scroll down until you see this option called your information and permission. So just tap on it just like this. So once you tap on it, you can see there's a option called download your information. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, just click on this download or transfer information option and then just select some of your information. Since you only want some of your information, we don't want every information for now. Since we are looking for followers, just head over to or scroll down until you see this followers and following section. So just tap on it just like this and click on next and just click on download to device. And you can also select the range, date range, from where you want to download your follow or following request. Just let me just select the last week since I want to recover from the last week, and just click on create files. You can also choose your particular Gmail. So once you click on that, just click on create files and they will be sending your information will be sent to your particular provider Gmail on the particular time. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.